This is a quick video on how to repair your device that your humidifier making a lot of noise from the fan. Basically, I already have it apart here, but on the bottom, there's about 6 screws here. You just unbolt those, the unit comes out, and then on top of here, you'll find this unit with the cover on. Well, if you just bend these pins back here, you bend them off, it'll come right out. And then you'll expose this area, and there will be 4 screws here. These guys. And you just unscrew these guys, comes out, and then the fan unit will actually be placed in here. So this is the actual fan that's actually making the noise. You take the 2 screws, you take them out, pull it out, and then grease this thing up with petroleum jelly. And I mean, grease it up. You're not going to do anything. And be careful, don't touch anything else in there. Some capacitors could give you a shock. But this guy right here, that's the freaking thing that's making the noise. It's just dry. A lot of, as you can see, the fan, it gets a lot of buildup here. It's just drying the parts out. It's similar to like what happens with computer fans and stuff like that. So again, just take grease and do not be don't be so kind with it. Just grease the crap out of it. Like literally, that's the scientific term we're going to use here. I'm going to put it in. And also, I used to work on cars, so if you grease stuff too, in some areas, even like the bolts too, you prevent vibrations as much, you lower it down. So, and when you first put it on for the first time, it's going to be stiff, but you have to keep spinning it and spinning it and spinning it until it spins freely. And then I can demo it right now. I plug it in, and I don't recommend you do this. Kids, don't do this at home. But as we can hear it, I'll turn it on. Right there. It's pretty quiet, wouldn't you say? So yeah, not bad. Fix it for free? Well, basically, since they don't seem to be taking care of that. Alright, that's my post. If you have any questions, let me know.